Makofi ya Simba.
Abantu baminto Simba Netaya. Omugaba n'omulemu Simba Netaya. Okonyi abange Simba Netaya. Omondo bw'abantu Simba Netaya. Aye Simba n'omulemu Simba Netaya. Aye Simba ne Simba Simba Netaya. Kende kwa muma Simba Netaya. Tombo murabwelizo Simba Netaya. Simba Netaya.
Aya, asante sana. Wapi makofi ya gavana wetu? Asante sana, Your Excellency. And in the interest of time, I now invite our County Secretary and Head of Public Service. Please welcome and take it on from here. Makofi ya County Secretary wetu. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. His Excellency the Governor, Hon Simba Arati, Deputy Governor, our Speaker, County Assembly, our guests from WASCO, CC members, CEOs present, the GDU members, the advisors, and all the members present. Allow me to greet you. Good morning. Good morning once more. Salamu kwa Governor. Salamu kwa Governor. Thank you. Today is a very important occasion that we have come here today to celebrate and have what we call WASCO chain of office handover ceremony. It is an occasion that is going to take place in August this year in Kisii County. It was a privilege. It is godly given. So at this time, allow me to move very fast to do a bit of an introduction so that we can know the members present today in this function. So allow me at this moment to call our directors present where you are. You stand and wave. Our directors present. Our directors. The Kisii County directors, wave to the governor and the guests. Thank you very much. Our CEOs present.